For my Pathfinder assignment, I decided to use two library catalogs: the University of Missouri Columbia Libraries and WorldCat. With the University of Missouri Columbia Libraries, I'll be looking at the Encyclopedia of Caribbean Religions. After searching for my information, I'll be brought to a list of encyclopedias, and I am looking for number 14, which is the Encyclopedia of Caribbean Religions, Volume 1 and Volume 2. After I click on it, I'm given the option of either fully downloading it or viewing it via PDF full text. Now, because this is an ebook, which is said right here, it does not have a call number, but it does have an OCLC number, and that is what I used for my Pathfinder, which you can see down here in my Pathfinder. Now, for my films, I decided to use WorldCat. I used WorldCat because the university libraries could not provide me with any films of the Caribbean or of the island of Hispaniola. However, WorldCat does, and after I search Stateless, which is the film that I want to view, I click search, and it gives me again a list, and I am looking for the first one, which is an online video 2020. I click on it. Since my library did not have it, WorldCat gave me the opportunity to view it either through Michigan State University Libraries, Western University, McGill University Library, and so many more. Now, keep in mind, with all of these resources and these catalogs, you have to have a library login and password. And if you do not have one will be provided for you via a librarian. Thank you and have a nice day.